Hi everyone, Suishyball here, and this is the talking vending machine. Let's see what we have inside. So here's the vending machine, and it comes with these soda cans and coins and stickers. Let's try putting on the stickers. There's a little soda can and a coin. And the back of the coin. I'm gonna put on the vending machine sign. Here are the different sodas. This is Coca-Cola. Here's children's cider, Coca-Cola, and Vending. Here's a look at the coin. Now let's put the soda cans in the vending machine. We'll start with the Coca-Colas. And then the Vendings. And then the children's cider. And finally, the Coca-Cola. And we close the lid. The sign back on. And now we are ready to put the coins in and buy some sodas. I'll start with a Coke.
Thank you. Come again.
There's my Coca-Cola.
Thank you.
What if I don't put any coin in? Oh, it won't give me a soda. I have to put the coin in.
Please come again.
There it is. And the coins come out right here. So that's the talking vending machine with 4 flavors of sodas. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at this toy, and I'll see you guys next time.